Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I got a terrible place to record because if you can't tell, my sister and her friend are making a skit in the other room. So, yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. The trick I'm going to be teaching you today is a gyroscopic flop. And most of you would probably know what this is, but this is what it looks like. So first step, kamikaze. Video up there if you don't know it. Yeah, so you gotta get to your kamikaze mount. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna pop to the back, you pop the yo-yo up, and you wanna miss the string and go to the back. This isn't a knot if you drop it. So you're gonna pop it up and behind towards you. Pop to the back, and then what you're going to want to do is use your middle finger and all your other fingers. Start with your middle finger though. You're going to grab the string that is connected to your two other pointer fingers. And you're just going to grab it and hold it like a square. So now, when you get it like this, you'll have a little bit of loose string and you just want to pull it tight and the yo-yo will start to spin. There is a knot that you could get from this if you keep rotating it. So if you want to not do that, the dismount is you rotate it once like that and twice. So then when you even it out here, you're going to take this loop of string right here and just pull it behind the yo-yo, and yeah, so I'll give you a different view of that. So when you get to this point, you're going to take the first part and just like take the loop and just completely take it off of the bearing of the yo-yo. That's how you dismount. This has been today's video, and I hope to see you guys next time. If you haven't already, click that red subscribe button and the bell next to it. Like the video, comment if you're having any trouble, I can help you out, and maybe even make another tutorial if it's not descriptive enough. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys later.